Good morning, third class children. Today let us open your workbook, children. Revision for the second chapter, page number 10. Numbers. What is second chapter? Numbers. Complete the series in each row. Complete the series in each row. Look here, 105, 108 are given, children. So 105 before 104, 106, 107, like that you have to write, you have to fill the boxes. Okay. Next one. Fill in the blanks. The number that comes after 197 is, which number will come after 197? 198. The number that comes before 876, before 875. If they asked after number, here you will add 1 to the given number, children. Then you will get the after number. If they asked the before number, here you subtract 1 minus 1 from this number, from the given number, then you will get the before number. The number that comes between 289 and 291. Which number will comes between these two numbers? 290. A number with 5 in hundreds place, 3 in tens place and 6 in ones place. So hundreds, tens, ones. 536. A number with 0 in hundreds place, 1 in tens place and 7 in ones place. Hundreds, tens, ones. So a number, which number is in hundreds place here? 0. So 017 means what? 17. So the left hand side 0, no value, children. A number with nothing in hundreds place, 9 in tens place and nothing in ones place is, look here, hundreds, tens, ones. A number with nothing in hundreds place, nothing means 0, 9 in tens place have 9 and nothing in ones place, again ones place 0. So what is that number? 90. A number with 8 in hundreds, tens and ones places is 888. A number with 0 in hundreds, tens and ones place is 0. Next page, children. Choose the correct answer. 876 in its numerical form is, 8 is in hundreds place and 76. 7 is in tens place, 6 is in ones place. This number in which option? In the B option, B. Which statement about the number 666 is true? The place value of 6 in the tens place is 60. Yes, the place value in this number, the tens place value is 60. The place value of 6 in the hundreds place is 60. Hundreds place value how much? That is 600, not 60. The place value of 6 in the tens place is 600. This is also not correct. The place value of 6 in the ones place is 60. No. The place value of 6 in the ones place is 6. So here only option A is correct. In which empty box would the number 167 make the comparison true? Look here, 174 is greater than 167. So for this one is correct. So check these two here. 167 is greater than 169? No, this is not correct. Next, 164 is lesser than 167. Correct. and 167 is lesser than 168. So this is also correct. 180 is greater than 167, correct, and 167 is greater than 170. No, this is not correct. 165 is lesser than 167, correct. 167 is greater than 167 is lesser than 167. Is it correct, children? Here 167 is equal to 167, not lesser than. So here B option is correct. Fourth one. Which number has 4 in the tens and hundreds places? 4 in the tens and hundreds places. Look here. Hundreds place have 4. Tens place have 2 here. So, not this one. Next, hundreds place have 2. So, this is not correct. Next, hundreds place have 4 and tens place have 6. This is also not correct. Next, hundreds place 4 and tens place also 4. So, this option is correct. What does 3 represent in the number 305? What is the place value of 3 here? 300. Option C. Sophie has 527 seashells in her collection. Which of these equals 527? So, expanded form for this. 500 plus 20 plus 7. In which option? Option C. Next one. Which of the following number is 6 more than 106? 6 more means here you have to add 6 to that number. So, what is that number? 112. Option D. Next page. Write the place value chart for the following numbers. So, 5623. Write the place values. 5 is in thousands. 5600s. 2 tens, 3 ones. 1400, 7 tens, 8 ones. 6900, 5 tens, 1 1. 7800, 2 tens, 9 ones. 1500, 4 tens, 7 ones. 3600, 7 tens, 2 ones. 5000, 0 hundreds, 3 tens, 4 ones. Here no thousands place is here, children. 200s, 5 tens, 8 ones. 6000s, 100, 0 tens, 0 ones. 1200s, 0 tens, 6 ones. Next, fill in the boxes with the correct values. What is this number? 2347. So, here place values are given. 7 is in ones place, 4 is in tens place, 3 is in hundreds place, 2 is in thousands place. Every time if you write the place values, come from the ones place, children. Next, 4628. 8 is in ones place, 2 is in tens place, 6 is in hundreds place, 4 is in thousands place. Next, 1096. 6 is in ones place, 9 is in tens place, 0 is in hundreds place, 1 is in thousands place. 9605. 5 is in ones place, 0 tens, 6 hundreds, 9 thousands. Write the numbers in expanded form. So, write the numbers in expanded form. Look here. 5 into 1000 plus 6 into 100, 2 into 10, 3 into 1. These are the place values, children. 3 is in ones place, so 3 into 1. 2 is in tens place, 2 into 10. 6 is in hundreds place, 6 into 100. 5 is in thousands place, 5 into 1000. 5000 plus 600 plus 20 plus 3. Next, 1478. 1000 plus 400 plus 70 plus 8. 6951. 6000 plus 9000. Sorry. 6000 plus 900 plus 50 plus 1. 7829. 7000 plus 800 plus 20 plus 9. 1547. 1000 plus 500 plus 40 plus 7. 3672. 3000 plus 600 plus 70 plus 2. Write the number names for the following numbers. You have to write the number names. In the previous video you have learnt up to 100 spellings, children. Now what is 1000 spelling? THOUSAND, thousand. What is 1000 spelling? THOUSAND, thousand. Look here, what is this number? 6823. So write in spellings. 6, SIX 6, thousand, THOUSAND, thousand. 8, EIGHT 8, 100, HUNDRED 100, and 23, TWENTY 20, THREE 23. Next number 3009, 3009. 8130, 8130. 7184, 7184. 9999, 4701. 2038, 9099, 5207. Next, what is this number? 10,000. 10,000. Next, which numbers do the following number names represent? So here number name is given. You have to write the number in numerical form. 2456. 2456. 1839. 1839. 7799. 7700. 7 is in thousands place, another 7 is in hundreds place, 9 is in tens place, 9 is in ones place. 7799. 5201. 5201. 2985. 2985. 8170. 8170. 1381. 1381. 3046. 3046. 4070. 4070. So here no numbers in the hundreds place. 9294. 9294. Come to the next page, children. Count and number the boxes. Look here, single squares are given and rectangulars are given, squares are given, cubes are given. Here each square represent one, children. These are the ones place values and these are the tens, these are the hundreds, and these cubes are the thousands. How many thousands are here? 1, 2, 3. 3000. How many hundreds? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 thousands. 4 hundreds. 3400. Tens. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 tens. Ones. 1, 2, 3. 3 ones. 3453. Next, look here. No thousands are given here. Tens, hundreds, tens, ones only. So 2 hundreds, 2 tens, 4 ones means 224. Next, here 2 thousands given. 2 cubes means 2 thousands. 2468. Next, 1241. Next, 3225. 1448. 2145. 3000. No hundreds are given. So write 0 in hundreds place. 9 tens, 7 ones. 3097. Okay children. The remaining pages we will discuss in the next video children. There we have to learn predecessors, successors and comparison of numbers, expanded forms are there in the next pages children. Those we will do in the next video.